Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyBets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign-up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Tango. To my fans on the TV, it's the Petway Premiership, Orlando Pirates 2, Mamelodi Sundowns 1. I'm joined by Mr. Chochi himself, Kitabs. It's the kid with no sense.
Sundowns. As the Papa what is at your maraba start.
Yeah.
Yes. The noise pollution has increased. I just heard it from the Minister of Health. The noise pollution has increased. No, wait, Chairman.
Uche.
No, yazi. Ngeke sihide.
I was mixing Sundown supporters.
Yeah.
Was the runner ngena ndlela ngizengama nomsekeze konke indaba akasho utheni
Uthe Taps.
No, yazi still support Sundowns noma kanjani. Support Sundowns vandaag. Noma bangadliwa noma bayenzani asifuni Pirates win league.
Yeah.
But anyways, let's go into the game. Compliment to coach Jose Rivero.
Thank you.
He has studied the game. He has studied Mamelodi Sundowns. Today coming into the game, he did his homework very well, Steve.
Yeah.
You saw a team that played too much defensive, relying on our counter-attacks and everything.
Yes.
Because you know what, defense of Sundowns is always slow, Steve.
Sure.
We saw a team playing with a high-low block, Steve. 5 players at the defense, 3 centre-backs. You saw Tepelo Kogi, you saw Sbisi as a centre-back.
Yeah.
You saw Mboga as a centre-back.
Yeah.
Going on the other side, you come and Dean Hoto, you find Dean Van Rooyen. Dean Hoto not playing sort of as a left wing or anything, just playing as a centre-back, as a right back. Not overlapping a lot today. Asabuli that space at the back.
Sure.
Dean Van Rooyen giving you the quality, not going forward again, not opening that space there. Siwo quality team today, the way they play good defense, Siwo. You gotta give credit to Mboga, Siwo, how he played, how the boy is comfortable, and how Tapelo, Lewo Sibisi, they protected the boy today.
Yeah.
There were some mistakes where he lost the ball, but they managed to protect him.
Sure.
And those mistakes you don't realize them. There's a mistake where he lost the ball, but Makala was there to protect him. And I hear people are talking about Abu Mbogas and everything, giving them man of the match. But Bafeto Makala is playing a big role. Pirates team. That boy is playing that Hortman is playing a big role in that defense team.
Yeah.
He structured the defense, going to the back team, but defender he has the number. Going forward, he always give you quality team.
Yeah.
Though he cannot give you creativity going forward, but his passes they play a role going forward team. I am a talent our fans team.
Talent and butter.
You can go to Europe, you can go to Yorkop, Abos Kukuni, Bomakes and everything. I'm a talent our fans team.
Are you a talent?
There's not that talent I was.
One of one.
Quality Steve. Quality Steve, how the boy, how creativity, the creativity that he brings to middle,
yeah.
How he structures the middle also. How he controls the middle.
Yeah.
Quality Steve. Talent and butter.
Yeah.
Remember some game. Remember talent and butter. We knew him that he's dangerous against Mamelodi Sundowns.
Sure.
And last time, after the interview, when Orlando Pirates lost to Mamelodi Sundowns at Loftus, what do we say? We said they lost because of talent and butter was not there. There was no creativity in the middle.
You did
from
say
Talent and Butter.
Yeah.
Talent and Butter was introduced to be the best that game of Sundowns team. Kama Cup games you can go back. Talent and Butter always brought the quality performance, a performance in every game. He played a big role today. Koko does team. Kamini is slow, yes, he doesn't give you quality and everything. That's why you saw the team not relying on creativity in terms of maybe the wingers and everything. Then you saw Mahopa team. We always tell you. Sometimes it's not the problem or Mahopa is not quality, Maba is not quality. It goes with the games. It goes with how other teams play. Some games, Kenya Mabasa, he won't give you the A quality.
Yeah.
And also then ask a dreamer. Sometimes Mabasa, you're a dreamer in life, but you need to wake up. You cannot be a top goal scorer. You're lying to yourself, my brother. Stop dreaming. I'm not a top goal scorer, 18 goals. Stop dreaming. The league is finished. We're only left with maybe 10 games. You can score 18 goals when you fail to convert those chances. But the does Tibo. You must stop dreaming. No, you must stop dreaming. But a quality performance from Wanase is Tibo. Playing more of 5-3-2 Tibo.
Sure.
He was playing more of as a winger. The pass, I farle Mufukeng.
Yeah.
Doing the usual Tibo. I be a net, as Tammy always says.
Yeah.
He doesn't shoot the net, a net as Tibo.
Yes.
But going to Mamelodi Sundowns Tibo, I'm always fighting with this thing, Mamelodi Sundowns. And I was once criticized on the media because of this thing. But anyways, I don't care who says what. We are fighting no one, trying to fix African football Tibo. Mamelodi Sundowns, the last time Mamelodi Sundowns believed in young talent, Nelina kwa coach Pitso Mosimane.
Fair.
Once Pitso Mosimane left, the likes of Okeletso Magala were no longer getting the chances. Sundowns has been developing Mukulisi for 15 years.
Yo.
Right now. Sundowns doesn't trust their development players, Tibo.
They don't.
How long are we gonna wait for this guy, Malebonge Koza, to play in a big game? You're always gonna say under confidence.
Hey.
The boy once plays against Kaizer Chiefs. He gave you quality performance. He gave you quality performance.
He did.
Today you need a team ko defense yela. You know Hana Le Grand Kekana out of a quality performance.
Sure.
You saw Suarez.
Yeah.
Losing the balls, Stibo. Making it ngware o magopa ke di quality player.
Oh, na etsa ngare magopa ke quality.
Bo magopa ba injo ba shapa di lightweight because of he was free ko morago, Stibo.
Le setse ba nkare ke quality.
Mfethu ne ba etsa ngware ke di A stars, Stibo. We need a Malibonge Koza ko defense yela, Stibo. Malibonge Koza, Stibo, no matter he's young or anything, I think the boy is confident enough to play in such big games. And if we really need the boy to become a star in South Africa, and we need the boy to become one of the future Bafana players, why don't you give him a chance to play in such games, Stibo?
Yeah.
Why?
Yeah.
Why?
Yeah.
But anyways, Mudiba.
Aubrey.
Again, Stibo, you saw the pitch is not well, Stibo.
Sure.
Scampa di pastel I need to chase the passes, Stibo. Mpe straight into Anna, because the pitch is wet. I'm gonna sleep. But when I'm straight passes, Stibo. So that's the only mistake. But not he was playing very well, but the only thing I'm criticizing him is Kidi Pastel high. Kuliso Mudau, I always say, bra, like Rulani he said it for you. I can take a bullet for Kuliso Mudau, Stibo.
They will love us.
No matter how Sundowns play bad and everything, he manages to play this very. It doesn't change his system. He always play the very same football that he knows, Stibo.
Sure.
No matter whatever happens, go defense. He always maintain. Going into the middle Mrembola, Stibo. Unfortunately, I'm always crying with Mrembola. Why are we playing Mrembola more defensively? Because if you want the creative, when you play more defensively, you don't get the creative Mrembola. You don't get him near the box. Monruto Shapa those aerobatic goals, Stibo. Because of you saw those chances. Not because Adams, but Adams is not good. Carry aerobatic goals. So you need to play then. Then I was saying take out Adams, then put in Ruban or Obas to play there. Obas at least so that Chalakomrao and replace that position Mrembola of maybe playing as a defensive midfielder. Sure. Then Mrembola get him Coco Perida. But again, Stibo in that middle, what do you say? It really shows Stibo. We missed the Tembazwane, Stibo. We missed the great Shigabala, Stibo. The great Shigabala is quality, Stibo. Even look over Bafana, you're gonna realize it when we play against Lesotho. You will realize we missed Shigabala because there was no creative number 10 today. Ribeiro Odala pushing to the very same time, not doing very well. Sometimes umkumana ko 10, sometimes umkumana ko winger. Mara remudite. Uska jola basadi ba South Africa, Ribeiro.
Uskukuni supportana.
Unga jola abafazi be South Africa, Stibo.
Ati we miss Tembazwa. Usupportana lo muntu. GNU.
No, unga worry, Stibo. Skulumi bolo, Stibo. We missed Tembazwane, but anyways, go team Pilo Meli. Anyways, Stibo. I'm just very somebody how they play.
Are Skukuni zadile joang killer?
We lost.
You lost?
We lost to a great team, Stellenbosch.
Again.
Lost to Sisha.
Last can Alex Najil.
But anyways, Stibo. Anyways, I think Shy first. I always say this thing, even Stibo, in terms of going forward, Stibo, Peter Shalole and Crom Renas. Stibo. I
Spani combo 8.
I say okay, Shaba bring my goals back creative and everything, but I say Stibo. I say at all, Stibo. But anyways, Stibo just meet the great Shigabala. But anyways, our time I say Vale Chiefs let's move on, Stibo. I say Vale.
Man of the match.
Man of the match. Nyanizo nkhuluma Mbogazi, Stibo.
Othe
Maketleni. Makaola. Age is just a number, Chaka. Age is just a number.